Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering the essential parts and making the first electrical connections. Mount the Bluetooth audio RX and amplifier on a non-conductive board, then wire L/R outputs to the speaker terminals. Connect the battery to the TP4056 charging module, route its B+ and B to the amplifier battery input. Add a power switch between battery and amp to isolate power. Once done, fasten the boards to the enclosure with standoffs and hot glue to prevent vibration. Make sure wiring is tidy before installing drivers. Now integrate the volume control so you can adjust levels safely and without distortion. For a passive pot, place it on the amplifier's preamp input as a voltage divider and ground the correct terminal. Check impedance compatibility with the Bluetooth RX. For a digital encoder or volume IC, follow the chip's wiring and supply its logic voltage, then route control lines to the microcontroller or amp. Once wired, test at low volume, then gradually increase while listening for clipping. Make sure grounding is solid to avoid hum. Finish by mounting the drivers, closing the enclosure, and confirming mechanical integrity. Power on and verify Bluetooth pairing, charging LED behavior, and playback at varying volumes. Measure battery voltage under load and ensure the amplifier VCC stays within spec. Listen for rattles or distortion at high output. If you encounter noise or clipping, first lower the gain and retest, then inspect ground routing for loops. If persistent, add a simple RC low-pass filter or swap the potentiometer for a higher quality part as a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.